Hello everyone, welcome to Unity Fest, the Festival of Nations at HSE. Here we celebrate the festival of different cultures, different nations, which study here at our home university. And for example here, at my Vietnam stand, we can learn about some Vietnamese traditions. We can also have some small workshops, and of course we enjoy our cuisine. It was a great chance to share our own traditions, learn about new cultures, make friends all over the world. Only here at HSE University, Unity Fest.